Hi, welcome in. Today, Susie and one of her kids, Jamie, stopped by the store. And so it was a perfect kind of timing.
Kismic. I'm actually glad you guys are here because we have a house that you might want to look at.
Oh, Kismet.
Kismet.
Timing.
Where are you guys located? We're in Woodinville. I don't know if you go that far.
We do.
Oh, good. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay.
And it's a rambler.
Okay.
It was built in 1985. We're relocating back to California. My husband's actually already there.
Oh, wow. Okay.
We originally thought about renting, which is why we didn't put it on the market.
Got it.
And so I started a few little projects. It wasn't going well. So we're trying to get this house on the market, but it needs some work.
Oh,
So we're sort of in a hurry to get things done.
We could probably jump out there today if that's not
That
too
would be
much.
magical. Yeah, we would love that.
Okay. Woodinville, it's a charming little town about 12 miles south of Snohomish.
This looks great. Love this fence.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
And Leslie, look at all this greenery.
Lyndsay, this is very wooded. Tons of parking.
Lots of parking.
Yeah. Great privacy, very Pacific Northwest.
Yeah, very. When we first got here, pulling up, I was super excited about location.
These stairs look a little steep.
Yeah, the closer we get, the steeper they look.
Definitely not to code.
No, I'm holding on to you.
Yeah. Don't let me fall. I have heels.
Okay.
I mean, could you imagine? Hi, we're at your house. We're gonna biff it.
These are slippery too. Walk like grandma.
Walk like grandma. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Hi there.
What's going on here? This is unusual.
They're not at the house right now, but we have 2 big herding dogs.
Oh, you built like a contraption.
We just wanted people to be able to get into the door safely without being scared out of their wits.
Oh, gotcha. I would say if somebody's coming to view your home, this would probably be a turnoff. It's so nice to look in and like I can see your fireplace there, but I'm distracted first by this.
Yes.
Okay, I gotta be honest, those stairs.
Those stairs.
They were a little scary to come up.
One of the steps broke, so my husband went to go fix them, and his measurements were off.
Yeah, like.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
We didn't even put a railing because we thought, oh, we're gonna tear these down and redo them.
How many years ago?
2, 3.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, this is the living room.
Okay.
And it's a step-down living room.
Yeah, this was a big feature back in like the mid-'80s.
Yes.
To have that sunken living room.
Yes.
But not as popular nowadays.
I agree.
Beautiful floors.
Thank
you.
We put them in about 10 years ago.
Okay.
So they've got a little wear and tear on them.
Yeah, I can see the
Dog's
dogs.
claws.
Yes, the dogs.
Do you guys use this fireplace?
Yes.
We use this fireplace. Yeah.
So it looks like trim, paint.
That little pony wall holds you back from kind of entering the space.
Yes, definitely. And then this is just the kitchen. It's completely original. We never did anything to it other than a new dishwasher, a new stove, which are now antiquated.
Okay. So for what would be considered like a galley kitchen, this isn't bad. I mean, you've got some good
room.
space.
We had bar stools here. The kids all sat up here.
Hanging shelves again, kind of that traditional 80s.
It just reminds me of a motorhome. Oh. It just bothers me so much. See the
wood at the top.
Yes.
This soffit.
Yes, it
Definitely.
feels like a motorhome, and I've never been able to stand it.
Kitchens, every material has its lifespan. And
Yes.
so I think we're just looking at materials that are ready to be updated.
I would love to see those bathrooms and bedrooms.
Okay, this is the first bedroom.
Oh, wow, this is a nice size room.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the dog
this
helped
is
you
the
with
dog.
trim?
Yes.
Actually, part of this was a wiener dog that we were pet sitting like probably 10 years ago. And part of it was our old dog, and part of it was the German Shepherd.
Oh, so it's multiple dogs.
Yes.
So you guys have a little bit of a dog remodel.
Yes.
Yeah, we do.
I mean, this is paint, trim, updated lighting, closet doors. This isn't very much work.
Okay, let's go check out the next room.
And then on the way out, we have this gate as well.
Another gate. Okay, so the bathroom.
Yeah.
This was a quick remodel.
It looks like you guys did all of this, but then left the original bathroom tile.
We did.
Yes.
Well, I'll tell you what about this bathroom. It's great size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great hall bath. And then
This is the main bedroom.
Okay,
Some things have been done in here.
okay.
This wall's been painted,
Yeah.
but then my husband had to go to California and I was supposed to finish painting. And when I put on the primer, it just started looking strange to me and I began to panic. So I just stopped.
This has been an interesting house. I never know what's behind the next door. Outdated spaces.
And unfinished projects.
Yeah. Or started projects by dogs.
Yeah.
And then not completed by humans. I think next steps, we should, go back to the office.
Okay.
Look at numbers, look at what we think your house would sell at now versus what it would sell at. If we did some work, put some money into it.
That sounds fair to me.
Yeah. So nice to meet you guys.
Yes.
I feel like the exterior needs some help. It's overgrown.
Oh my gosh.
I would love to open up the front of the house more. I think we need exterior paint.
Okay.
Those stairs going up.
Yep.
So dangerous.
Agree. I would love to get those done before we start getting in and out of that place, first project.
I would absolutely agree.
Yes.
And then inside, eliminate all the literal barriers, but also barriers that help you flow through the home. The current kitchen layout really blocks it off. I want to do an all-new layout with an island that extends towards the living space. Everything will have to be new, in whites and light grays to be more open and even brighter. I'd leave the main bathroom.
Yes.
Just do little touch-ups in there. Finish the bedrooms, closet doors, paint, a lot of dog damage. So the trim all needs to be redone.
Yeah.
And new floors throughout the whole house.
Yeah.
And then in the main living area, in that sunken living room, I think I'd like to raise the floor.
Yeah, with the cost of lumber,
I know, I
that
was
might
gonna
be
say,
a hit.
That's the one that I'm not sure we can fit into the budget.
Yep.
I would really, really like to.
Okay.
So it's gonna depend on what your numbers say now.
If everything's brought to that main bedroom, bathroom level, I want to shoot for $700.
Okay, I like it. $699?
$699. I'm gonna call Susie real quick. Oh, there we are. Hi, Susie.
Hi, girls.
Okay, so I just wanted to quickly go over the numbers, not take too much time. We set kind of a base price of $550 for the home, and that's as is based off of you guys picking up your stuff, moving out, and putting it on the market right now. If we were to go and make the changes that we feel are necessary, we're gonna need to put in about $125,000.
Oh.
But we'll be able to then turn around and sell right at $700,000. So
Okay.
once we get back that $125,000, it still leaves us $25,000 to split $12,500 for you and the same for us.
Okay.
One of the things that we chose to do before we started our actual project here was replace the front steps.
They were literally a death trap.
Okay, well, probably gonna hurt somebody. I'm not sure you would die, but yes. We wanted to get those done so that as we came in and out with demo, carrying all the huge items, we didn't also have to trek up and down a mountain.
They would have fallen and died.
Oh yeah, right there. They already changed the front look of this house. Once we paint, it's gonna be next level.
Who's ready to demo? I saw it going different in my head.
Yeah, okay, here we go.
One more time.
And
Who's ready to demo? Yeah!
Wow.
can somebody clean this up for me? I'm jumping in to help with demo, not only to keep costs down, but because sometimes it's just fun to destroy stuff. You raised floor! My raised floor! While I'm taking down this wall, the team is concentrating on the hall bathroom, as well as getting everything out of that kitchen in order to really open it up.
Isa, are you helping?
Oh my gosh, this looks huge.
So much more room for activities.
This is our island.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we're mapping this out so our electricians who are on site can map out for our pendant lights.
This looks really good. And you know what I like is that there's such better flow.
Yeah, today we're checking in with Owen and Josh, who's gonna be doing a lot of the work on this house while Owen's on other jobs.
Our style here is boho ranch.
Okay.
Not necessarily yeehaw ranch, but more like we're in a ranch style home.
Got it.
But I want to also bring in some of that fun, spirited colors and styles of boho, but still, you know, not go too far.
We're not in a market where you can push
know
the
we're
design
not.
that. Raising the floors means adding a lot of lumber to create new support. And we need to lay new luxury vinyl plank flooring across the entire space.
The crew's also putting up new trim, including around the doors and all new baseboard. In the kitchen, Josh is installing the new cabinets. And outside, the painters are using the green color I picked to really transform the house and give it that Pacific Northwest vibe and also make the surrounding landscape pop. Oh, wow! This looks so good. Owen!
Yeah.
Hey! Les isn't with me, she's sick.
Bummer.
I know.
Happens.
But new door.
The door's in.
Look at this.
Yeah, no, it looks awesome.
Man, feels so good in here and open, just not having that drop here.
Yeah, it was a good call to bring it up.
And this looks so good.
Yep, countertops are coming in right now. We're on track. We're hitting one of our deadlines in the next day and a half to clear out of here, let the painters take over and do their thing, and then we can hop back in.
We're probably, a week away. This is when it really becomes crunch time. This is when you shouldn't be getting sick because we don't have time for that, guys. The team has just enough time to add all the tile to the bathroom at Susie's house. But then we need to give the painters the house for a few days so they can smooth out all of the scratches that the dogs left behind. Back at Susie's house, the painters are still working while the guys are installing the mosaic tile I chose for the kitchen backsplash.
Whoops! Sorry. Nobody's hurt. And Owen and I are sneaking in to create some custom shelving in the dining room so we can be ready to stage this house in just 4 days. I'm always looking for DIY projects that we can do in a house that are simple, fast, and, well, most importantly, cheap. This shelf project will meet all of those requirements, but it's also gonna look really modern and hopefully will make the potential buyer more interested in this house. Perfect.
So today is staging day. I'm so excited. This would be a great one for outside. We'll leave that there. Here they are. Oh my gosh, look at the color. Oh my gosh.
It looks like a completely different house.
Hi, guys. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. What do you think?
I just love
Incredible.
it. It just looks amazing.
Yes.
I love the
love it
color and
so
I
much.
love that front door.
Yes. And then steps.
They're not gonna fall down.
Yeah.
Yes, and have some style to them.
I love the railing.
Yeah. So we all can be on these stairs at the same time
Yes.
and we feel
Amazing.
comfortable.
Are you guys excited to go in?
I'm excited.
Okay,
So
let's go.
Okay.
Here we go. I'll let you guys go first.
Oh, you guys, look at the walls.
Oh.
This is amazing. Oh, look how different this looks.
We're standing where there was a huge barrier here.
Yeah.
Like taking down this wall, it instantly opened it up and made us feel like it was so much larger.
And I haven't seen this house so open in years.
Right. Look at the living room. There's no
Oh
step
my
down
God.
in the living room.
Yep.
And this whole wall is gone.
The
Yes.
whole wall is gone. I did not like those walls, and
Yep.
that is so, so much better.
Yeah.
This is amazing. And the furnishings are just beautiful.
Well, the other thing is the natural brick in here on the fireplace. We loved how this matched outside, so we didn't want to paint it or change it.
I think it's wise.
Well, and even with raising this floor, we still have a good amount of that brick.
Yeah,
and
you do.
Yeah.
We didn't lose too much of it.
No, not at all. You just took it right out of the 80s. So that was excellent.
That's what she wanted.
I knew you could.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is a different house. You actually
Okay.
took us to a secret location.
Yeah, you flipped everything.
Yes. So you said this used to be like an RV kitchen?
Yeah.
It was tight and constricting. We not only opened it up, but we turned it 90 degrees and lengthened it. So it really reaches out towards the living room.
It looks great.
This is what this kitchen was supposed to look like.
Yes.
Because before you couldn't get more than 2 people maybe
No.
in the
Yeah.
kitchen.
No.
Yeah. And
It was-
now,
You can have a party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is now an entertaining house.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at the backsplash. This,
Yeah.
you guys did such a good job on this.
Yay.
It looks great. The next buyer that comes in here is gonna want this so badly and so
Yeah.
quickly.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's our goal.
I want to know what you guys did with my old room.
Okay, let's go see that.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
my God.
Look at the bed and the ombre.
new paint, new light,
Yeah.
and new floors in here. And then really beyond that, it's about the staging,
Right.
which
Yeah.
you wanted to lay it out where
Right.
it really
Yeah.
showed off the space.
Right. Look at the cabinet.
Look at the tile.
The tile, that looks beautiful, you guys. I'm glad you got rid of that peach.
Yes.
That needed to go.
And then again, like with our boho, adding the wood with the black.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so we're just tying that throughout the home,
Yeah.
like in every room that we go into.
Yes.
Okay, our main bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
Come on in.
Oh, wow, look at this. The headboard's amazing.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna steal that idea as well.
Yes. Yeah. It's a bunch of baskets on the wall.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna say, I don't think I've ever seen that in a design. And very unique, and I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
I
And
really
the
liked that
colors.
too.
Yeah, this is very warm and very cozy.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
We were originally valued at about $550.
Okay.
We put in a total of $125,000.
Okay.
And we want to list at $799.
Oh, nice.
That will give us a profit once we get paid back of $124,000, $62,000 each to
Okay,
split.
Great.
Our goal is to list this tomorrow. We feel extremely confident. This market is definitely improving. We are
Yes.
definitely
Yeah.
selling homes faster than we were even 60, 90 days ago,
Okay.
and it's more stable.
Okay.
So I'm really, really, really optimistic that
Okay.
we will get an offer and we'll get it soon.
All right, that's great.
Open housers.
Hi, welcome.
Wow, hi.
Hi, I'm Leslie.
Maria.
Hi, welcome. Hello.
I'm Lyndsay.
Hi.
This is amazing. I love the open concept of everything.
I love the white and the black. That's absolutely my color scheme.
Good.
I love the way that the living room transitions here into the dining room and the kitchen.
Yeah. So we're calling you because we have great news. As you know, the market was so good, we went at $799, and we actually have an offer at $870. I know. So after getting $125,000 that we invested back, there was still $195,000 in profit left. So we were able to split that $97,500 each.
That's great, you guys.
I know, we're so happy.